All right. Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Hope everyone had a great weekend. You enjoyed your NFP weekend. Of course, welcome back to another WB Trading live session. This is Mike, certified professional full-time trader, guys, managing over 1 million in my portfolio, which can be verified on the website. Um, and for those of you who don't know, obviously, this is another WB trading session, and we are an educational company, guys, with proof of getting over 80% of our traders profitable, right? And we do that through our strategy, through our software, and through our supporters, right? So super cool. Welcome back, guys. Um, Let me go ahead and share the screen here so we can jump into the good stuff, right? I know you guys came here to see the good stuff. So, cool. So hopefully you guys can see my screen now. Cool. So here's my portfolio I was mentioning, right? So again, guys, strategy, software support, managing over 1 million in capital, which can be verified here. As you can see, I've even refreshed the screen for you guys to see that. Well, cool. Let's get into the good stuff, right? So, firstly, as you guys always know, I always like to check the news, see if we have any big news events coming out that we should be privy to, right? And so far, no, we have no red news today, right? So that is great. So the first thing we're going to do here is, of course, we're going to put in no major news events. Right, wide open. Cool. Next up, let's see. Of course, if you guys got any questions, let me know. Let me know. I'm here to help. Cool. So getting into it, we got the the Telegram group, which lets out the signals. I'll go ahead and X off of this, and let's jump into the charts. All right. Cool. So I went ahead and took the liberty of marking up GU. Right. Excuse me. I already marked up GU. So this one is kind of sitting here. Maybe get a break below, and we kind of see where everything goes. But so far, GU is good to go. So I always like to put that in the group. GU is good to go. Good to go. Plenty of room to run. Oh, you know what it is? I forgot. Yesterday was the daylight saving time shift. So a lot of people probably are getting messed up with this. Probably not even noticing what's going on. No worries. It gets me every year, guys. In fact, it gets me twice a year. Once when it starts and once when it ends. So trust me when I say I understand. So GU is good to go there, guys. And then I even took the liberty of marking up GJ as well, right? GJ is pretty close too. So GJ looks awesome as well. This one has plenty of room to run. GJ is good to go also and has room to run, right? Cool. So I always like to post those for everybody. Obviously, just do trading view, so you can really see what's going on. Nice and simple, right? So you guys know what you're waiting for. Some type of break below, break above, whatever type of structure is going to happen, so we can actually see what is going on, right? Cool. So as you guys can see here, also, this is the EA. So yes, getting into it. Last week we had a trader ask about the EA, right? Like, what does it do? How does it work? So obviously this is for him, but for you guys as well, if you were wondering. So when we say strategy support and software, obviously this is part of the software, right? There's three main things with the software, which is the Telegram alert signals, the trading journal that you guys seen a moment ago here, and then the EA bot, right? The SM bot, which trades the exact session momentum strategy for you, okay? So whether we were asleep, whether we were up, in front of the screen, not in front of the screen, can do it, cannot, as long as this is set up. And as you can see here at the top right, it has this smiley face. Well, I'm sorry, it has this academic hat, I guess, and it's blue, it's illuminated. That means the bot is working and it's good to go, right? So basically what this strategy would do for you, as you guys can see, we are flat. We're not in any trades just as of yet. But if you look back, this has been executing this strategy for me, right? Plenty of trades. Even we had a little win streak here, right? This has been executing plenty of trades, right? So obviously it has its losing streaks sometimes like any other strategy would, but definitely have its winning streaks too. But this has been executing the all these trades for me, right? And as you can see, this count after everything is still up about 5.7%, right? On its own, guys, on its own, which is the best part, right? It's executing this exact strategy for you, right? So super cool there. Yeah, once this actually sets up and confirms, this will execute the SM momentum strategy for you. So you don't need to do anything, right? You set this up one good time. Obviously, like minor tweaks for your personal preference, whether you want to be risky, conservative, aggressive, it's totally up to you. You can tweak it and make it how you would like to make it, right? But yeah, as soon as you get some type of confirmation here, it'll automatically do it. So it'll enter the trade for you. Of course, it'll set the stop loss. Of course, it'll set the TP. It'll accurately enter the trades based on your percentage. Say, again, aggressive, medium risk, high risk. So it'll accurately do that for you, risking 1%, 2%, whatever you want to do, and 0.5%. So yes, this will execute this exact strategy for you guys. And of course, once it's time to close it, whether it's hitting a stop loss or hitting TP, it'll close it automatically as well. And the big question is, can you use this for prop firms, right? That's the $1 million question. That's the question we get all the time. And that was the compound question of what this trader was asking, right? And the answer to that is, of course you can. Of course, of course, of course. Now, there are some things that we will recommend. Obviously, all prop firms don't allow you to use EA bots. So one, you definitely want to check to make sure your prop firm allows EA trading, right? That's just obvious. Two is, seeing that this does have losing streaks sometimes, you do want to lower down the lot size, the percentage just a bit, right? So in the beginning, you probably want to do closer to 0.25% or 0.5%, until you finally worked out the kinks on how you are comfortable with, your settings, which again, we give you the bot settings, guys. As a matter of fact, I can actually show you that really quickly here. So the settings, you pretty much want to, right? So that's the entry. So here, right? So bot settings, right? So you want to make sure when you get this, and we show you how to do this, right? Once you become a member. These are all the actual settings, right, that is in the bot. So there's going to be a few things that you might want to tweak, maybe just a bit. So yeah, once you've actually tweaked all of this and you've done it, then you can kind of go ahead and use it with the prop firm. But again, one, make sure your prop firm actually accepts EA trading, and then two, guys, play with this first, right? Maybe try it on a demo account. Make sure it's set up the right way you need it to be first. See it's accurate, and then once it is, and you do go live, right? Go ahead and put it on lower lot size, so maybe risking 0.25% or 0.5%, right? That's the smartest thing to do. But yes, in essence, to answer the question overall, yes, you can definitely use this as long as your prop firm allows it to pass your challenge, right? In fact, we actually have traders who do that, guys. There, we had a trader last week who actually is using this for passing, right? So let's see here. All right, so maybe this is pretty too far back. It'll take me a minute to find this because we're only in January. Either way, we did have a trader who actually just recently used this, and we have actually a lot. But yeah, this one most recently, he's a newer member as well, and he has used this for the actual passing this challenge, guys. So to answer your question again, yes, you can use this to pass your challenge, right? Hope that answers your question, trader, and hope that answers you guys' questions if you were thinking about it or wondering it, right? But cool. Other than that, guys, we will jump off here in a second. If there's no questions, no questions so far. Okay, cool. So we'll jump off here in a second. Yeah, we're kind of just waiting for one of these to confirm, guys. Obviously on GJ, both of them are good to go. GU might be a little bit closer. Oh, not too much closer. Just gotta narrow this in. Yep, so we are pretty much waiting, guys. Just hanging around, as always. I got my alert set, as you can see, just in case I'm doing something else or I'm just, maybe step away, whatever the case may be. I always like to have my alerts on, so I can be aware of when price is getting to one of these levels. And if you notice, I have it the same thing here on GJ as well, right? Break above, break below, right? So always use your tools, right? Trading D was awesome. Of course, they have a plethora of tools that you guys can use to really just not just mark up your trades, but give you that extra sense of edge, right? So yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying that. Other than that, guys, I will go ahead and jump off if we don't have any questions. Yeah, no questions here still. Cool. Well, other than that, guys, of course, if you want to take advantage of what we're doing, guys, and just to kind of see, of course, we'd love to help, right? Even if you guys want to join the Discord for free, just take a peek under the hood, see what's going on, see what kind of system we got set up behind closed doors. I will drop the link for that in the description, guys, so you can totally join for free, see what's happening, see what WB trading is all about, see the process, pull that curtain back, right? Just to kind of see what's happening over here. I'll drop the link for that in the description. Also, guys, if you just want to jump right into it and take advantage of the pro community, right, where you'll get access to the strategy, right? It's going to show you this exact strategy, how you can actually use it for your trading, right? It's super simple. It's mechanical. There's no thought. You set this thing up and it's almost, I'd say, dummy proof, right? So I'll drop the link for that as well, where you'll get access to, again, the strategy, those 3 pieces of software, which I mentioned, the journal, of course, so you can obviously track and refine your trading strategy, guys, and just kind of keep up with everything. One nice place, makes it super convenient for refining your trading strategy. The EA trading bot, obviously, that we just went over, is going to execute the trades for you. Also the Telegram alert channel, right? So I went over that before, I believe, but if you guys can't make it for whatever reason, this will send trades for you. You just pull your phone out, punch it in, entry, stop loss, TP, all the pertinent information is there. So you can actually just manually execute the trades of your own via our signals. Right. And then, of course, the support, guys. Not to brag, but our support is one of our huge difference makers. Whether you ask a question in a general Discord where other traders are actually there helping you, whether you are in the support channel and one of the team members are going to help you, myself included. We typically answer questions right away, guys. So like you might be waiting a few moments to get your question answered, or even if you just want to send out an email, right? And we typically respond to those fairly quickly as well, guys. So bar none, when it comes to the support, we are here to help you grow your trading account. So best believe the support is top notch, right? And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I'll drop the link for that, and then obviously, guys, with the event stuff, as you see, I've been kind of pulled back from going over that on these live sessions, just simply because we don't really have space for it just yet, guys. But if you do want to book a call, you can book a call. We can jump on the call and talk about it, right? So you'll have the link for that as well. But other than that, guys, I will go ahead and jump off. We don't have any questions. Guys, please let us know. Like, comment, subscribe. If you're doing something great, by all means, please let us know what we're doing great so we can keep doing it, right? And if we totally suck and say, hey, you guys suck, and this is the reason why, right? Let us know so we can take advantage of that and fix that, right? We had a trader who said, hey, your mic sucks. You need a mic. So we went ahead and got a mic, guys, right? So hopefully this is helping you guys throughout the journey. We know how hard it is to become consistently profitable, and that's what we are here to do, all right? So with that being said, guys, I'll go ahead and see you guys on the next one. Until then, stay safe out there, right? Happy trading, guys.